Now the mechanism of scrap quinoline synthesis. Now the mechanism of scrap quinoline synthesis is divided into 4 steps. Okay, in that uh, the first step it is the dehydration of glycerol and formation of the acrolein. First step into the mechanism, it is the dehydration of the glycerol and there is a formation of acrolein. Okay, how it can form? So first of all, it is the glycerol. It is glycerol. Now glycerol, there is a dehydration of glycerol takes place and there is a formation of the acrolein. How it can be takes place? Let's see from these reactions. Now first of all, look at the second number carbon atom. This is first, second and third number. So this is second number carbon atom. There is attachment of OH group. Okay, this OH group, it is acts as the base and it will abstract the proton. It will abstract the proton from H2SO4 first. Okay, so note down this all reaction first. Okay, now this OH group from the second number carbon atom, it is acts as the base because oxygen contains lone pair of electrons, so it is acts as the strong base. Now look at the structure of the H2SO4. H2SO4 contains HSO4 negative and H positive ions. Okay, so it is the acid, so by its nature it will donate proton, and this OH group acts as the base. It will abstract the proton from the H2SO4, so it become protonated. This OH group become protonated. Okay, so we get OH2 positive because oxygen give lone pair of electron for the formation of the sigma bond towards the hydrogen, so it is positively charged. Okay, and it is unstable. Now another condition is there here. After the donation of the proton from the H2SO4, the HSO4 minus become base and it is present into the reaction mixture. Now after the protonation of this OH group and donation of the proton from the H2SO4, we get the OH2 positive, and this H2O positive, it is acts as the good living group and it can be live as water molecules. Okay, so this OH2 positive, it becomes good living group and it will be removed as water molecules. Okay, so that this oxygen takes lone pair of electron from the second number carbon atom. Okay, and after the taking lone pair of electron by this OH group from the second number carbon atom, this carbon acquires positive charge. Okay, so there is a formation of the secondary carbocation. What is meant by carbocation? Carbon bear the positive charge, it is called as the carbocations. Now it is secondary carbocation. Why? Because this carbon attached to another 2 carbons atom, that's why it is called as the secondary carbocations. Secondary carbocations are more stable than primary carbocations. Suppose the OH group from the first number carbon if we remove, or third number carbon if we remove, there is a formation of the primary carbocation and it is not stable, so that we want the stable carbocation, so we have to remove this OH group from the second number carbon, so that there is a formation of the secondary carbocation, so it is more stable. So that this OH2 group remove from the second number carbon and this carbon becomes secondary carbocations and it is more stable than the primary. Now likewise this HSO4 negative, it is present into the reaction mixture. It will abstract the proton from this third number carbon atom. Okay, this proton, it is abstracted by this base and it becomes H2SO4 again. Now this hydrogen give lone pair of electron toward the carbon atom. So this carbon is electron rich and this carbon electron positive, so there is a formation of double bond. Okay, look at this structure. H2SO4 is formed and removal of the water molecules and there is a formation of double bond between them, carbon carbon. Now here CH double bond CHOH, this structure is formed. Now there is a reversible type of reaction. There is a reversible type of reaction in that carbon carbon double bond breaks, lone pair of electron shifted on this second number carbon atom. Now the hydrogen attached to carbonyl carbon, it is abstracted by electron rich carbon atom. Okay, towards itself. Now there is attachment of this hydrogen towards this carbon, so CH becomes CH2. Okay, now after the removal of this, after the removal of this hydrogen, so there is a complete formation of the carbon oxygen double bond and hydrogen, that is aldehyde group into the last step. Okay, look at this. Okay, now there is formation of the CH2, CH becomes CH2. Now in this structure there is a formation of again protonation of the first number OH group. There is a protonation of first number OH group carbon. Okay, now it can comes from H2SO4 give proton and become HSO4 negative base into the reaction. Okay, now this proton it is abstracted toward the OH group and there is a protonation and formation of the OH2 positive again good living group. Okay, formation of OH2 good living group. Okay, now into the next structure there is a formation of the OH2 good living group after the protonation from this step. This OH2 negative it will be acts as good living group and it will be removed from this structure. Okay, so we get such type of structure. Okay, now here after the removal of this OH group, the lone pair of electron shifted toward this oxygen, so this carbon is electron deficient and the second number carbon having hydrogen it will be removed by the base which is present into the acid reaction mixture. So this proton it is attached to the HSO4 negative base, so it become H2SO4. Okay, and it gives lone pair of electron toward this carbon, so this carbon is electron rich and this is electron deficient, formation of the double bond, and in this way we get the acrolein. In this way we get the acrolein. So this is about the step number 1. In that there is a dehydration of glycerol and there is a formation of the acrolein. Now the next is step number 2. In that the acrolein will react with the aniline and we get the third number step or second number step. Okay, let's see. Now step number 2, into the step number 2, acrolein which is formed into the step number 1, it undergoes 1,4 addition with aniline. Okay, acrolein it is formed into the step number 1, it undergoes 1,4 addition with aniline. This 1,4 addition of aniline it is also called as the Michael addition. Now after the addition of aniline with acrolein at first and the fourth number position, we get the beta anilino propinaldehyde. We get beta anilino propinaldehyde. Okay. Now first of all, acrolein undergoes 1,4 addition with aniline. Now 1,4 addition means if we consider the nitrogen first number, then into the acrolein this carbon second and this third and this is the fourth number. Okay. So first number